Izaline. She has a very nice balance between what she wants to convey and how well she can convey things.
Yeah.
Because she can make the most joyful song, but she can also give you that sadness. She can give you that nostalgia, a melancholic feeling, mi país tong cantica com nos estima. But that's a sad song.
That is
Sí.
That's a very sad song.
Sí.
Pero si você escucha La La La, que teribe mesmo album, you feel it just
Euphoric,
is so
sí.
warm. It's everything that you need life to be. Anto, kasi e cantica ta Keda for so long.
Yeah.
So I'm studying her and I'm studying other artists that also manage to do that pa in the future. Me think progression. But I don't want my next album to be too similar to what I've already done. I want to go in a different direction to show not only life is hard, of course, pero there's also beauty in what we experience. And I hope to be able to capture that in this as well as I did the negative.